Hi guys! In this tutorial, I am introducing the AI image generator function inside HitPaw FotorPea. You will be able to use it for text to image, even animate your photos. Let's get started. Text to image. We can access the AI generator by clicking on it from the home page. You can find the official access link in the description. Firstly, we want to use the text to image function. Locate on the right side. The prompt box allows you to describe your images. Try the inspiration button. It can give you some ideas if you don't know what to create. In the model section, you can find the latest and the most powerful AI models for you to choose, such as ByteDance Seedream 4, Google Nano Banana Pro, Flux, GPT image generator, or Stable Diffusion. The image size is customizable for certain models, up to 4K resolution. Let's take Google Nano Banana Pro for example. After writing the prompt, click on Generate, and the image will be generated within seconds. The models support all kinds of image styles, from photorealistic to 3D style, or anime, or text writing, posters, pixel art, etc. These are all the examples created inside HitPaw FotorPea with awesome image resolution and quality. All you need to do is to use your imagination and it will create images for you. After generating, the AI Upscale button can help enhance your images to the next level. This can greatly improve the image's details to help them stand out. Image to image. We can switch to the Image to Image tab on the right panel. You can import multiple images as reference. Take this image for example. I am importing some individual outfit images. Then ask it to make the character wear the new outfit. Again, we are using Nano Banana Pro to generate the image. And there, we have the character put on the new outfit, while the original character is consistent as well. There are much more you can do using the image to image feature, such as restyling, changing camera angles, relighting, even image editing, etc. These cases are still far from reaching its limits. Just use your imagination to play around with it. Templates. Another cool feature is the templates. When you open the templates, here lists the most viral and trending AI image filters on the internet. You can easily use them to create astonishing image effects suitable for sharing with your friends. Once you click on Remix, the prompt will be automatically filled, and you can use it for your own unique images conveniently. Text to video, image to video. If you want to further animate your photos, you can use Live Photo feature inside the templates. It supports text to video and image to video. Take image to video for example. We can import an image here, then write down the prompt, and there it will create a short video from the image. Feel free to play around with it yourself. That's it for this video. Hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more updates on AI. See you next time.